Bonafide Hustler here, and today is filled with a bunch of random stuff. I think I might get a chance to do a small micro hot shot, like itty bitty. But I want to take you guys with me. Let's go. What's up, guys? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of my spaceship, and I'm about to go to the gym, knock out a workout real quick, and then pretty much the day starts accelerating. It goes into hyper warp cheddar powder speed, and it should be a lot of fun. There's a lot of things going on today. Today's a big day for me because the culmination of months of work come down to a launch that happens today. And so you'll be hearing about that later. But anyways, let's get to the gym, knock out a workout. Pretty much after that, everything goes pretty fast. So let's go to the gym and get some gains. All right, made it to the gym. There's like a million people here. So I'm parking way on the outskirts. Man, I need to take a train to get into this gym at this point. I need to take the tram in. It's like pretty far, but whatever. It's all good. That's why we walk, right? Oh, it's cool stuff from the past weekend. Man, you'll see that on the vlog. All right, let's go work out, man. I got done with the gym, and now I'm gonna go home, do the Bonafide morning blueprint, which is basically 30 minutes, sometimes a little bit more. My take on a morning ritual, and it includes meditation, so I'm gonna knock that out real quick. Then after that, I have to get downtown. And that's when I think I'm going to do a really micro hot shot, because I have to take my mountain bike and my wife's mountain bike down to our mechanic. Yeah, there are bike mechanics. Anyway, so to our bike mechanic, so he can get them all prepped up for when we go to Colorado, which will be in about, I don't know, 2 weeks or something like that. So that's just something I have to take care of, and it's in the heart of the city. And there are at least 3 really good thrift stores around there, so I'm going to go check it out. And of course, you've seen them on my vlogs. So we'll definitely be doing that. I'm gonna go home, smash a morning smoothie, do this morning blueprint, get the bikes in the back of the truck, and then head downtown. And after that, I'm gonna come home and I'm gonna organize a little bit more for the launch on this shoes to bucks thing. If I get a chance today, I'm also gonna ship off 3 things that sold yesterday on eBay. One of them is actually shoes. It's actually boots, but shoes to bucks, there you go. It was like a $10 pair of boots. They sold for $70 on an offer. So my original price was like 80 bucks. Someone offered me 70, I was like, wow, awesome. So there's some shoes to bucks right there. Number 2, I sold a keyboard. I think the keyboard, I'm into it for around 27. I think it sold for like 120. And then the third thing is a bag, bags to bucks. This was a $10 bag, if I'm not mistaken, sold for 60. So those all have to be shipped off, but it's not really my priority right now. My priority is to get downtown, also knock out the little morning blueprint ritual thing, and then I can focus on the other stuff. So I have 2-day shipping on my eBay stuff, and I might get it down to 1 day if I know that I'll be in town for an extended period of time. For right now, 2 days seems to be working okay for me. I like it. What do you guys do out there? Do you guys do same day, 1 day? What do you guys do out there? Let me know. And I'm very curious to see. I always try to over deliver too, so I try to ship it off as fast as I can, and I try to get it into the 1 day window, but I do 2 day just in case. I don't want to be dedicated my entire life and how I act and everything and where I go in town because of 1 day shipping, because of eBay. I'm just not going to do that. I mean, gas is not exactly very cheap right now, and plus I find that when you start scooting around for other things, you don't really get to chase the real things that you want to chase. That's one of the main reasons why I do 2-day shipping, is that it doesn't allow me to be super reactive and like dedicate my whole life to eBay. Ooh. Oh man. Ah! This is good. This is one of the best ones I've ever made, ever. In the past minute. It is really good. So good. We get this morning blueprint done. And then I'm going to film a very short live workout video on my other channel. Then I'll eat a quick breakfast. And then I'm gonna pile the bikes on. Then I'll get the bikes on the back of the SUV. Then we'll go do a micro hot shot. Then I'll come back and we'll launch Shoes to Bucks officially today. Awesome. Regarding the shoe guide, I actually took a random subscriber who's been a really good subscriber to me, and I gave him, so shout out to John, you know who you are. I gave him the guide to look over and proof and like help me out, like initial, what do you think? Like how fast did it download? all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna read some of the stuff here. I read the very first 100 pages tonight. I'm really impressed with your knowledge of shoes. You give great brands to look for and things to look for in each shoe type that may enhance or deter a sale. I like the photos that back up the explanations. Great work. I'll read more in the morning. Initial thoughts are wow. All right, so here's the next one. After that, you know, here's the final kind of thing. Hey Chris, just finished reading your shoe guide. Chris, you did a spectacular job. You took a deep dive and came up with a total winner. Thumbs up. I'm excited to get out there and find the cheddar. So that's just a, you know, a subscriber right there. Pretty cool. Also for him, it downloaded in 4.3 seconds to a Mac and 3 seconds to his iPhone. He has about 100, 120-ish download speed on his internet. So anyways, those are the kind of things as a business owner that I like to know, because that's the experience on the other side. To me, customer service is really, really important. So if you're ever gonna build a product out there, don't just focus on the product and then once it's done, it's like, see you later, customers, like, great. I am completely different. I'm like, you know what, if you treat the customers with the utmost respect, they'll come back again and again and again. And that includes building the product correctly, marketing it correctly, and the follow-up on the back end correctly, like making sure that it downloads correctly, it looks okay, that kind of stuff. But I'll be honest with you, the #1 complaint of the Bags to Bucks guide, and it will be on this guide too, is the fact that it's built in landscape format. So as opposed to your phone being upright, you'll get a much better experience when you turn your phone and scroll through the guide. That's just the way it is. It's the program that I built it in, and there's nothing I can really do about that part. Everything else is gonna blow your minds away when you see this shoe guide. I'm telling you right now, it's actually officially, it's officially 173 pages on a PDF. It's humongous. It's so big, it's bigger than my future. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll leave a link down below in this video to pick it up on a special discount price, so go check it out. All right, so I got done with my meditation, which was a lot of fun, did the morning blueprint thing, and I also filmed a workout video in the goddamn gym, a live one, which I think was like 30 or 40 minutes. Man, a lot of questions were coming through. So my garage is kind of a wreck right now, but this is essentially how I did it. I had the computer here, there's a camera beaming in this one general area, I had the lights on and everything, and talked about it right in this one area, you know, how to build a pretty big chest and stuff like that. A lot of fun stuff, man. And what's crazy about the Boddamn channel, let me tell you this real quick. So that's my other channel called Boddamn. What's crazy about it is it reaches some crazy places. It's like India and like Kenya, Nigeria, it's crazy, Philippines, all from this garage. It blows my mind. I mean, maybe I'm the only person that sees it like that, but it blows my mind how I can impact somebody's life that I've never met across an ocean, right? It's crazy. If you think about it, it starts becoming really crazy. The tools that are at our disposal this day and age are crazy. It's just nuts to me that 20 years ago, it's like, to fathom this right here, it's just, no, right? But now it's here. So if you got some crazy business idea or something that you're really passionate about, build a vlog about it, build something cool about it. Anyway, so I'm gonna go head downtown. I have to make a really quick breakfast. I'm gonna head downtown and I will see you guys in the car when we get downtown, and then we'll do a little thrifty thing. I'll have to head back up the freeway after that. Let's go. Got a notification on my computer. Oh no. Done with the breakfast, it's hot shot time. Maybe you see 2 thrift stores today. I got the bikes on the back of this rack. That green bike that's in the corner over there. And we're gonna pull this bike right here. They gotta get worked on before we go to Colorado. Let's go, bikes, let's go! All right, made it downtown. Here I am, and I'm gonna deposit the bikes with the mechanic. Then who knows what we're gonna find at the hot shot. I got 2 or maybe 3 awesome Goodwills lined up. Let's get these bikes out of here so I can get to my thrifties. Gotta go, come on bike, let's get out of here. Let's go. All right, dropping off the bikes right here. See you later, we'll see you in a week or so. And heading to the thrift stores. Supporting the Mickey Mouse vans today. What do you guys think? Mickey Mouse? Oh! Alright, I got time for 2 thrift stores. We're at the Goodwill, the very first one. Let's see if we can find something here. Looking for the shoes. It's always like the very first thing in this Goodwill that you can check out. I always find good shoes at this one, usually. Sweet Cosmic Boost, bro. Wow, these are huge. They're so messed up. That would have been good. Alright, so I did find these Hoffman boots. These are super sick lugger boots. 20 bucks. I'm gonna be asking around 80 to 100 for these. These are awesome. So heavy though. Pretty interesting. Look at that. gosh, that's old. All right, got the Hoffman boots right there. Looking good. Next Goodwill. Going as fast as I can, I really am. I don't have all the time in the world today, but I got enough time to do some cheddar picks. I gotta get a crumb or two. I gotta get some cheddar crumbs. I'll take the crumbs today though. All right, let's go. The reason why I'm hurrying up so much is because A, I have a bunch of stuff to do, but B, traffic starts up, and when it starts up, it's insane. So anyways, on my way to one more Goodwill. It's Lake Austin Goodwill. I think in between that one and the Goodwill Boutique, my chances are probably better at the Lake Austin Goodwill because I find more stuff there. So that's where I'm going. I should be there in like 2 minutes. And after that, hop on a little toll road, go back home, and execute a little Shoes to Bucks launch. I contemplated making 2 guides, Shoes to Bucks and then Boots to Bucks, but then I figured it'd be better to just, you know, give a really good guide that is just bang you over the head, like too much content, and you get both in one. Because really when you go looking for footwear, I mean, you're not just looking for shoes, you know, you're looking for sandals, you're looking for shoes, you're looking for boots, things like that, things that are specialty oriented, such as cycling shoes and cycling, you know, that kind of stuff. So it's not just like one thing. So I figured in Shoes to Bucks, you're gonna get sandals, shoes, and boots, and a bunch of other awesome stuff. You'll be very surprised when you see it. All right, the next Goodwill. Will I find another pair of super heavy boots? I hope not, because they're really heavy. This is pretty interesting. A little under the counter system. Missing the remote. What is this? It's an interesting looking bag. Yeah, so I'm passing on that bag. There's just no soles on it, so there's no sense getting into it. Big golf bags here. It's a pretty big Callaway golf bag here. This is interesting, but it is broken on the bottom right there, so that's a pass. I don't see anything here. I'm out of here. Guys, didn't find anything there. I'm gonna go home and start gearing up for this Shoes to Bucks launch. But anyways, by the time you watch this video, the special discount code will be down below. Check it out, and for the launch price, it'll unlock hundreds and thousands of dollars for you. 100%. I've been doing this for like 12 years. It is not that hard to do. Anyways, so figure out what unlocking all that is worth to you, but there's a special deal down below. It'll be the first link. Go check it out. It'll be the first pinned comment as well. If you want to get Shoes to Bucks, it is available. Guys, thank you for all the support over the years. I'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustler video. Take it easy. Goodbye!